if you see if the microalgae and the chaeto morphi is not doing well, please can you leave a comment on the description below, and I welcome any advice. Like I said, I'm new to this. I'm taking my time. I'm not rushing. I want to make sure I do it right. So I appreciate it if you guys give me advice. I love the tank. I'm going away for a couple of weeks, so I haven't bought no corals or nothing like that. So eventually when I come back, I will. I want to get some more fish and stuff for the tank. But everything so far is running good. I think the fish are happy. The microalgae looks good. She got so big that when she rotates, sometimes she gets stuck between those two pieces inside the refugium. And before wasn't doing it. Now it does it. It gets stuck, and then she gets loose, and then she starts rotating. Also, she's growing fast. I'm telling you, she's going fast. The ATO pump is working great. The water level is constant. The salinity is constant. I do check it to make sure. Fellas, if you want to subscribe to my channel, please do so. If you want to give me a thumbs up for this video, it would be nice. If you want to give me any advice, please do so. You can leave it down in the comments. I will answer all the questions you guys asked. And if you want to criticize my tank, I welcome that too. So I just want to say, have a nice night. Peace.